12, Lesson 12.1. What are multi-step problems? In this lesson, we will understand what they are and how to recognize them easily. Don't worry, they are not difficult. We just need to think step by step. First, let me introduce myself. I am originally from China. Now I am studying in the United States and I am an 11th grade student of Veritas Collegiate Academy. Now, let's look at one-step problems. 36 plus 25 equals what? Yeah, 61. 72 minus 18 equals what? Yes, 54. 9 times 6 equals what? Yes, 54. These are one-step problems. Why? Because we only need one operation, either addition, subtraction, or multiplication, to get the answer. One step means one calculation. Simple, quick, and direct. But real life is not only that simple. Now let's look at an example. Tom has $20. He buys a toy for $8. Then he buys a book for $5. How much money does he have left? Look at this situation carefully. Does Tom do only one thing? No, Tom spends money 2 different times. First, he buys a toy. Then, he buys a book. So we have more than one action. Can we solve this with only one calculation? No, because 2 actions happen. Whenever there are multiple actions, we usually need multiple steps. This is the key idea. If a problem has only one action, it is a one-step problem. If it has 2 or more actions, it is a multi-step problem. These words are called clue words. They tell us that events happen in order. First, then, next, after, before. These words tell you this is a multi-step problem that usually means you will need more than one step. Now let's practice together. Anna has 10 candies. She eats 3, then she gets 5 more. How many actions? First, she eats 3. Then she gets 5 more. So this is a multi-step problem. Let's do a quick check now. Problem A. 15 plus 6 equal what? Problem B. Mike has $12. He spends 4, then earns 3. Which one is a multi-step problem? Yes, problem A is one step, and problem B has 2 actions, so it is a multi-step problem. So what is a multi-step problem? It needs more than one step. We solve one part first, then we use the answer for the next step. Do this first, then do that. A multi-step problem is a problem that requires careful thinking. We must solve one part first, then use that result to solve the next part. It is like following instructions in order. If we skip a step, we may get the wrong answer. Today we learned what a multi-step problem is, why order is important, how to recognize clue words. Now we can recognize multi-step problems, but how to solve them correctly? That's what we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.